Hello, everybody. I've been investing in crow lending for about a year now, and it's yielding me around 10 per year. On this channel, we cover various aspects of investment, and I share my experience on investing in this asset class to earn money every month. If you have an account with Peerberry, you likely received an email from the platform in early November, indicating changes to the autoinvest tool. Apparently, significant work has been done behind the scenes to make it more responsive in distributing loans when they become available on the platform. Regarding this, two observations. Firstly, if it's more responsive, manual investing won't be to your advantage, since newly arrived loans will disappear even faster. I think this will bother only a minority of us, given that one of the key principles of crow lending investment is to spend as little time as possible. Secondly, this implies a suggestion. Double-check your auto-invest settings. Furthermore, the platform announced the expansion of its market into commercial loans in 5 countries, with a focus on emerging markets to compensate for the loss of the Polish market. This brings me to the next point, the issue in Poland. Starting January 1st, you won't see any Polish loans on the platform due to regulations. In Poland, it's now prohibited for lenders to finance their activities through crow lending platforms. Polish authorities had announced this, and all affected platforms should have been prepared for a while. This was evidently the case with Peerberry, as the share of Poland in the portfolio dropped from around 16 at the time of the announcement to 3 as of the time I'm making this video, just in a few weeks. However, if you invest in other platforms engaged in Poland, for example, Mintos, where I haven't seen any information, I strongly advise you to keep an eye out.